Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Just got this tiny radio, XHDATA. It came in this box. Inside the box we can find the radio itself. It's really nice color. It has bright green. It's not green, it's, I don't know how to call this color. In the box you can find the user manual in English. On the front panel of the radio we can find the speaker, the frequency and band switch, 2 FM bands, 1 AM medium waves and 9 short waves. On the right side you can find the tuning knob and volume control with the without power switch, because power switch locates on top of the radio, headphones port and DC 5 volts in port. Telescopic antenna. The telescopic antenna around 50 centimeters. On the rear side you can find the frequencies: FM band from 87 to 108 MHz, medium waves 522 to 1320 kHz, FM 2 band from 64 MHz to 87, and short waves from 4.75 to 22 MHz. You can put 2 AAA batteries. On the rear side you can find this thing you can put on the table or something else and rotate the antenna. FM band.
Откройте и другие сладости. Чтоб не...
Let's switch to the second FM. I think in my place nothing on this part of the band from 64 to... I have something. Only one station. Medium waves.
Nem hallottuk azt, egyetlen vezetőjétől sem, sem Macrontól, sem Merstől.
Procesului democratic, spre deosebire de anii trecuți, cooperarea între... Tot mulțumim, Пошта фейком перетічно росіяни теж контекстно.
Поедете на заправку и заправьте.
The band between 4.7 to 506, 5.6 to 6.4. Only Chinese broadcast stations. think that's 40 meters band, hamradio band, and SSB mode, but we use AM mode. .40 meters band. I'm radio is in SSB mode.
Я благодарю вас за тыңдарман қауым. Шинжаң радио телевизия станциясы. Selamlar programını dinliyor.
그래서 하나님의 능력을 받아서 그리고 대외伙伴携手祝愿繁荣富强40周年会。대웅 극주체
Also exchanged congratulations with our Minister Lawrence Wong on Friday.
Hazine ve Maliye Bakanı Mehmet Şahin aylandırış gerek.
不断进取的精神，正是这种。
咁講咧，咁我哋可能首先咧要
Давление северного дугу.
.20 meters band on radio.
a la historia cuando tanto la paciencia de la naturaleza como علينا الدولتين والسعادة وسيلة جدية
Наши пшадара.
حياتي. شكرا لك يا رب.
Hello and welcome to World Today. I'm Dinkan in Beijing. Coming up, China and Singapore are marking 35 years of diplomatic ties.
形态，中梵集团外高桥由日技术制作达到巅峰。长达341米，总吨位富有2140。
I think this radio is really nice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment. See you next time.